Business class redemptions are often considered some of the most difficult redemptions when using Chase points. With Chase points being transferable to 11 different airline partners, it can be overwhelming to determine which partner is the best for booking business class travel. In this video, I'll dive into my top 3 transfer partners for business class flights, and I'll explain why they stand out. The last partner I mentioned might be a little controversial as it offers business class product that's often rated as one of the lowest quality business classes. However, despite this, it still presents a really good redemption value option that shouldn't be overlooked. My name is Max and I help people maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. And let's get started with the first transfer partner on my list, and it's Air Canada Aeroplan for Star Alliance Airlines. When it comes to airline alliances, Star Alliance is undoubtedly the largest, consisting of 26 airlines, more than any other airline alliance. And for most international travel, choosing a Star Alliance partner is a logical and convenient choice because it's usually where I begin my flight search when I'm looking for a flight internationally. The advantage of being part of such a large alliance is the wide selection of airlines available for booking. Air Canada is a member of the Star Alliance, which means that you can book flights with other Star Alliance airlines through Air Canada Aeroplan. This allows you to find award flights for United, Singapore Airlines, Lufthansa, ANA, and almost all of the other Star Alliance airlines through Air Canada Aeroplan, provided that there's award availability. Chase points transfers to Air Canada at a 1-to-1 ratio, and the transfer process is instant, making it an easy and convenient transfer. As a reminder, if you're interested in applying for any Chase cards, my affiliate links are down below in the video description, and it helps support my work. Another reason why I like Air Canada Aeroplan is the redemption rates are actually really reasonable too. From the US to Asia with partner airlines, it's either 75,000 points or 87,500 points. From the US to Europe can range between 60,000 and 90,000 points. And from the US to South America, that can range between 40 to 60,000 points one way in business class. Air Canada offers a much more reasonable option than United, as United recently devalued its redemptions, and transferring points to United for international flights is no longer really that worthwhile. Even United operated flights are cheaper when booked through Air Canada's website. You can save thousands of points by transferring points to Air Canada instead of United for United operated flights or other Star Alliance flights. Another Star Alliance transfer partner that Chase points can be transferred to is Singapore Airlines. However, Singapore Airlines has also become kind of expensive just because of recent devaluations. For the same United flight mentioned earlier, Singapore Airlines charges a decent amount of KrisFlyer miles for the same exact flight. But what about Singapore Airlines operated flights booked through Singapore Airlines? Is it any cheaper? No. When it comes to Singapore Airlines operated business class flights, Air Canada charges fewer points than Singapore Airlines does for the same exact flight. So Air Canada is super valuable when it comes to redeeming Chase points for business class flights for Star Alliance Airlines. Moving on to the next transfer partner. Wait, hold on. My phone is ringing. And it's another stupid spam call. I'm tired of receiving these spam calls, which are a result of data brokers. These data brokers profit from selling our information, my information, your information, including phone numbers to robocallers and spammers. And this is where Aura, the sponsor of today's video, comes in to help. Aura can help identify data brokers that are exposing your information and submit an opt-out request on your behalf. While data brokers are legally obligated to remove your information upon request, they make the process super difficult. If I were to submit my own request to remove my own data, I wouldn't even know where to begin. That's why you should let Aura handle it for you. In addition to stopping data brokers, Aura offers protections against online threats, including antivirus, VPN, password management, identity theft insurance, and more, all at an affordable price. Let Aura take care of the hard work of keeping you safe online so you can focus on other tasks with a peace of mind, like learning how to maximize your credit card points. To start your 2-week free trial of Aura, visit this link, and I'll also provide it down in the description as well. Thanks Aura for sponsoring today's video. Now let's actually move on to the next transfer partner. Flying Blue, which is Air France and KLM's award program. Flying Blue may not be the most conventional choice, but it does have its advantages. One notable benefit is the monthly promo rewards, and sometimes they have unannounced promotions that can result in really good redemption opportunities for business class flights. You can find the promo rewards, which I'll link down in the description, and it changes every month, and some months there are promo rewards for cities that are not listed on the promo rewards page. I won't be able to tell you why, but it's just kind of is the way it is. The way you find out is by searching around, or if someone finds something, they'll usually post it to Instagram stories or post it somewhere online, and that's how you kind of find those hidden promo rewards. On top of that, Air France Flying Blue also frequently offers transfer bonuses, making it even more appealing when those promo rewards or unannounced promotions come around. If you stack promo rewards with transfer bonuses, you can sometimes get business class flights in the 30,000 points or even less, going from the US over to Europe. The taxes and fees are on the little bit of a higher end than some of the other airlines, but I think it's still really manageable. You're probably looking at around like $200 to $250 in taxes and fees each way. Not only is the redemption rate pretty good, but sometimes the awardability is also really good as well, and better than some of the other airlines. And then when it comes to searching for award space on Flying Blue, which is Air France and KLM's website, it's not the best experience ever, and it does have some issues, but it does have a hidden award counter, which a lot of other airlines don't even have. When you're on the Air France website or KLM's website, just leave the departure dates blank and you'll get a useful award counter. You can pick and choose which dates offer the lowest redemption rate and quickly see which dates you need to avoid for the most expensive dates. And the award counter is something that a lot of other airlines don't even offer when you're searching for award space. So that makes it super easy to kind of identify those good redemption rates. So that's Flying Blue. And finally, the last transfer partner on my list is Iberia. While Iberia may not offer the best business class experience, it does have a remarkable redemption rate of just 34,000 points for business class tickets during off-peak from the Midwest or the East Coast over to Madrid. Their off-peak calendar is pretty generous too. This is the off-peak calendar, and all the dates in red are the dates that you want to avoid, and all the dates not in red are the off-peak dates. So as you can see, most of the calendar is off-peak with the exception of prime time summer travel months. If you want to fly from the West Coast, it's not bad either at 42,500 points one way in business class. This unbeatable rate makes it an attractive option for travelers looking to maximize their chase points to get across the Atlantic in business class. Additionally, Iberia frequently offers transfer bonuses as well, further enhancing the value of their business class redemptions. With just a 20% transfer bonuses, which happens often, you can fly in business class for 29,000 points one way, which is a really good deal. The best way to search for the award flight is to search on Iberia's website and then transfer your points directly over to Iberia, and the points transfer at a 1-to-1 ratio. I know that someone in the comments will say that Iberia Business Class is not great. Well, it's still business class. It still has lie flat seats, it still comes with a lounge access, and it's still way better than flying economy. I've flown some of the best business class products around the world, but I'd still gladly fly Iberia if I need to, just because it's such good value. You can let me know what you think about Iberia Business Class in the comments down below, or any of the other two redemption options in this video. If you want more videos to maximize your points, check out this playlist over here. Keep maximizing your points. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.